Yes po, ma'am. Kakapainom lang po sa akin ng gamot ng nurse.
Sige anak, magpahinga ka na, okay? May bibilin lang akong med sa butika. Babalik din ako agad dyan.
Alright, ma'am. Ash? Sander?
Jasmine! Nakita na rin kita. Finally!
Uy,
I can't believe you guys are here.
so sorry. Ngayon lang talaga kami nakadalaw, Jasmine. Hirap kasi makachempo na wala dito yung mami mo eh.
I got you something. Di ba favorite mo to?
Bakit, Jas?
Wala kasi akong gana.
Sige, itabi mo na lang muna yan, Sander.
Come on! I bet the food here sucks. I-try mo lang.
Sige.
Yes!
What we are selling is not just a house. Menagerie Manor is an exclusive and premier housing community. What we are selling is luxury. Yung feeling na espesyal sila. Excuse me. Excuse me? May problema ba, Mr. Castello?
Sorry, boss. Akala ko kasi nandito tayo to discuss strategy. Matagal nyo nang ginagamit ang exclusivity para mabenta nyo ang mga properties nyo. But I'm sorry to say, obviously hindi siya gumagana.
Dami niyang fiber, ha? Do you like it? Eh, wag na. Ako na lang. Sit back. Let me take care of you. Magpagaling ka kagad, ha? Para next time, we can hang out. I'll take you anywhere you want to eat.
Make sure na dala na natin lahat ng kalat, ha?
Yeah,
Huwag talaga ako kay Tita Marge kapag nalaman niya nandito ka.
Super thank you guys sa pag-visit, ah. I really appreciate it. You don't know how boring it gets here.
Halata naman. How can you live like this?
Baka ba?
Nagpipiro lang ako. Get well soon, Jess. So we don't have to keep sneaking in here.
What he means is, para lagi ka na namin makasama.
Yeah, miss na kita makahangout.
Babalik na daw si Mommy.
Oh God, we have to go na, Jas, ha? Mag-iingat ka. Take care, Jas. Get well.
Thank you
Get
ulit,
well
guys.
soon.
Sige, go na.
Sige na.
Go.
Sige na.
Get well soon, Jess.
Bilis na.
Get well.
Bye, Jas! Kamusta ka?
Nurse? I feel dizzy.
Code blue! Code blue!